boy, I'm back again with another new crypto project that's on now on the space right now. So known as VROX Network. So VROX Network is just like more like other crypto projects. So VROX is a decentralized crypto project that allow users to mine VROX as a native token of the network freely, and also it has a lot of fusion on it. And this project just started not quite long, so they launched their app based on this quarter three of this 2026. So this is just the interface of the VROX network, so you can see the whole interface. So right here I'm here to walk you step by step on how to earn more of this VROX network or VROX token. So it's very easy. So right here, so this is where you can see your profile. You can register, just complete some of your KYC system right here by inputting your name and your email and everything once you put the network. So but upon opening the network, just register with your valid email and your password. There right here, you click on it, you will see your name, then register your name, your country, and every other things. So that's what you see. So this is the amount I've mined, the VROX token that I've mined. So this is just all about it. So right here, so this is how you can earn more of the token. So if you click right here, there is an ad. You can mine like 24 hours of the days. If you click on the mining, so it will take you can mine 24 hours of the day. So upon mining it, then you will gain like 24 coin of the VROX token. So that's what you get. Then also you can also earn more by you washing of ad. So but I believe that the ad system is the way you can earn more of this VROX network. So if you click on the ad, so just while you clicking on the ad, so maybe its network is distorting this. So if you click on it, you'll be earning more of the VROX, like 5 VROX per ad. No, 10 VROX per ad, 10 VROX per ad, and the ad system is just running, so there's no limit that you can mine, that you can watch a day. It's unlimited, so you can watch unlimited of the VROX. So depends on you. So this is, and also you can also say play earn more by playing games. You can play games to earn more. This is a game section. You can play game. You can earn more by other means, question and answer. You can also do a quiz. You can answer quiz. Then also lucky roll. Click on the lucky wheel. You can tap it by every 24 hours of the day. Then you actually have one gain anyone you want to actually claim. So right here is the learning system. So we also teach you about cryptos, AI blockchain, about the blockchain, about crypto and blockchain technology. So that's one thing they are also giving to the community. Then also there's a giveaway. So on the giveaway, you can input your coin. Before the giveaway was going on, but they have stopped it for the now. So that's just the area of the giveaway. And also you can also refer. You click on the referral system, which is referral system right here. Look at it. Then you can refer by sharing your referral link to your friends to actually gain more of the VROX token. And also you can earn by also inviting or joining the global chat. So of the global chat, you can just chat your community members and all the rest on the global chat. The why you can also earn on this quest. You click on the quest, you can join their Telegram group, follow them on Twitter X. They promote the VROX on X, just promoting it. Then you earn like 20 VROX. Then if you refer one, you earn like 10. Refer to 5, you earn like 50. So you can just say this is just the milestone. So, but I will like indulge you and urge you to, like, in order for you to earn more of this coin, truly just be watching the ad. Just be watching the ad. This is how I was able to earn those many coins, those many VROX you are seeing. Just be watching the ad. So network is disturbing right now. The network is somehow fluctuating, so that's the reason. So they just it. So watch the ad and you will earn a lot of the token. So I'll leave the link in the description below in order for you to start earning the coin. So right here is their wallet system. If you go to the index, right here, today is the index, you can see the amount of the coin. So the VROX network is equal to 0.001172. So but it's not traded yet. So this is just it. Then the wallet section, click on the wallet section. So this is the amount I've earned. The 30,000 is about $35 US. Then this is your wallet. You can send, receive, swap when everything has come live. So but right now it's just a new project, a new network and a new crypto project. So you can join and start accumulating more of the token right now. So this is just it. Then also there's a place whereby you can trade. If I don't make mistake, you can trade. Let me just right now. So maybe due to the updates, a lot of updates has made, so maybe it has been removed. So but right here you can click on the game section. Then you can be playing games to earn a token. So you can just play the game. So you play the game. So once you have been killed, then they will give you. So let me just allow myself to be killed. So you can see I earned 0.2 VROX. So that's how you can earn on the token. So that's it. So it's nothing more than that. So I'll leave the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, do it to like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and also share it to your community. I'll say big thanks. Thank you for supporting the channel also. Thank you. Peace out.